Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a lock stitch, so let's get started. So we're going to chain 23, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 and 23. Now we're going to come here and make single chain stitch in each of the loops, like so. And in our last stitch, like so, you can see this is how it should look like. Then I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to come here, I'm going to insert our hook here, I'm going to make 2 single chain. It's going to make in 2 of those spaces. Then I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3, and from here we're going to count 1 2 3, and in the fourth one going to make 1 single chain. In the second loop, 1 single chain, chain 3 again, 1 2 3, to count again 1 2 3 4, fourth one, and 1, to chain again 3, 1, 2, 3, to count again 1, 2, 3, 4, second one, so 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one, that way. Now going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, to turn our work. And you see how it looks like. We've got spaces over here, and in between the spaces we have got chain of 2. So we are going to make 5 double crochet in this space. So first double crochet, you see, so it's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So going to continue 5 double crochet this next space, see how it's going to look like. So to continue second space, and see 1, 2, 3, 4, Then I'm going to come here in the last stitch, make a single crochet, double crochet that way. Going to chain one, turn our work, then going to come in this space here, one single stitch, second single stitch, then chain three, 1 2 3. Then you're going to count 1 2 3 and fourth one, 1 2 3 and fourth one. Okay, the second one, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and in the fourth one over here, going to make single stitch, second one, single stitch, count 3, chain of 3, then going to come 1 2 3 4, the fourth one, single stitch, okay, second one, chain 3 again, 2 3, 1 2 3 4, the fourth one, you can see I have this space here, then going to chain 3 2 3, turn our work, and we're going to work in this spaces here. As you can see, this space is over here, so I'm going to yarn over, chain this chain of 3, going to count and make 5 double crochet again, then we're going to go in the second space, last stitch here. Wait, to chain 1. You can see how it looks like. This is how it's supposed to look like. So if I continue, it's going to form this pattern here. It's just the repetition. So as you can see, it's a similar one. You can see how it looks like. So in the beginning you have to chain 23 till here. Then in each of the loop you're going to make single chain till the end, and when you come over here at the end you're going to make two single stitches, chain of 3, 2 single stitches, chain of 3, 2 single stitches, chain of 3, 2 single stitches, chain of 3. Then you're going to chain 3 over here. You turn over your work and make in each of these spaces 5 double crochet, and you're not going to make a slip knot. Continue 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and we're going to repeat the same sequence. So you can leave it like this if you like, and I have another one, and you can make as many squares you want and make a blanket, or you can make a cushion, or you can even make a baby blanket. You can make a bigger one, but I prefer making squares like this. So I hope you like my video, and till next time, see you then. Bye bye.